my channel Style Up India, and this is me Nisha here, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm here to talk about this product. It is a L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid, and this is to be considered a #1 product in USA, China and Europe. And the good news is it has recently launched in India. Many international and national influencers are talking so much about it, and so many influencers have raved about this product so much that I really wanted to try it out and know like what is so special about this product and why everyone are talking about it. So if you guys are also interested to know more about this product, how I would like to use it and what you can expect from this product and is it worth buying or not, then keep on watching. So I have done a lot of research about this product, like why it is so popular in so many countries is because of its star ingredient, that is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is gel-like substance that has an unique ability to maintain moisture. In fact, our body produces it naturally to retain moisture into our skin. It is also found in eyes, joints and connective tissues. We produces less and less hyaluronic acid as we age, which makes our skin more drier and less elastic, as a result which causes us to develop deep set of wrinkles. This is why hyaluronic acid is considered to be a wonderful component in creams, face creams, serums, as hyaluronic acid can hold up to its weight over 1,000 times in water. It keeps your skin hydrated, moisturized and radiant by 42%. It has antioxidant which helps to keep your skin looking healthy. It also contains the antioxidant of vitamin C, which clarifies and brightens your complexion while providing damage repair. And the best part is this product contains the right concentration of hyaluronic acid, and it has a pure hyaluronic acid and not the diluted one. It does not contain any alcohol, paraben or fragrance. Although yes, this little ingredient is the key to your plump and glowing skin, it still need to be used correctly or it could make your face sincerely unhappy. So all you have to do is take a few drops of this on your face and just apply it like this and massage it well. I really like the packaging of this, like it's a sleek glass bottle, so you can actually see how much you have used the product and how much the product is left. Also it comes with a dropper, so you can actually control your usage and there will be no wastage. So just massage it like this with your fingers and then after that just dab it. So for initially it's gonna feel sticky, but it's a good sign. It's gonna feel sticky for 5 to 6 seconds and then it's gonna penetrate into your skin so deeply and so quickly that you're not gonna feel like you have applied anything. Plus it's instantly makes your skin radiant and amazingly soft. So make sure you apply this on a damp face. Do not apply anything before this, otherwise it's not going to work. And after you apply this, apply a good moisturizer for better result. You have to apply this twice a day, like in the morning, and you can include this in your night skincare routine as well. So I've been using this product since 2 weeks now, and I can say that my skin looks more plump, feels firmer and more elastic. So this is for all skin types, like everybody can use it, and it comes in 2 sizes, like for 15 ml it comes for 499 rupees and 30 ml for 999 rupees. The other details is given in the description box below. Do check it out, try by yourself this product and say goodbye to your dull and lifeless looking skin. So yeah, that's it guys. I think this is the end of my video. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think about this product and what other videos you want me to do. Do subscribe to my channel, as this will really mean a world to me, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. I love you all. Bye. Bye.